Inspiring Buddha, quotes that will make you wiser and change your life. The mind is everything. What you think, you become. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. No one saves us but ourselves. No one can and no one may. We ourselves must walk the path. Health is the greatest gift. Contentment is the greatest wealth. And faithfulness is the best relationship. Happiness does not depend on what you have or who you are. It depends only on what you think. Holding on to anger is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. Your worst enemy cannot harm you as much as your own unguarded thoughts. To understand everything is to forgive everything. 3 things cannot be hidden for long: the sun, the moon, and the truth. Pain is certain. Suffering is optional. If you light a lamp for someone else, it will also brighten your path. A disciplined mind brings happiness. Let go of attachment, and you will find freedom. The trouble is, you think you have time. Your work is to discover your world, and then, with all your heart, give yourself to it. Speak only words that do no harm and bring peace. Be where you are, otherwise you will miss your life. As rain falls on a broken roof, so does desire enter an untrained mind. An idea that is developed and put into action is more important than an idea that exists only as an idea. A fool is known by his speech, and a wise man by his silence. Hatred does not end with hatred, only love can heal it. If you find no one to support you on the path, walk alone. Do not believe everything you hear. Test it for yourself. Happiness never decreases by being shared. Be patient. Everything comes to you at the right time. There is no fear for one whose mind is not filled with desires. A wise person does not argue, for they know that truth needs no defense. To conquer oneself is a greater victory than to conquer thousands in battle. Even death is not to be feared by one who has lived wisely. If you want to fly, you must give up what weighs you down. Anger will never disappear so long as thoughts of resentment are cherished. True love is born from understanding. A jug fills drop by drop. Nothing is forever except change. Attachment leads to suffering. Let go, and you will be free. It is better to travel well than to arrive. Every morning we are born again. What we do today matters most. An insincere and evil friend is more to be feared than a wild beast. One moment of patience can prevent a great disaster. One moment of impatience can ruin a whole life. You are stronger than you think, braver than you believe, and wiser than you know. Words have the power to heal or to harm. Choose them wisely. Give, even if you only have a little. As a lotus flower grows in muddy water, you can rise above any challenge. Faith and prayer must go hand in hand with effort and action. There is no path to happiness. Happiness is the path. The greatest gift you can give yourself is inner peace. The secret of happiness lies in the way we manage our thoughts. A man is not called wise because he talks and talks again, but if he is peaceful, loving, and fearless, then he is in truth called wise. To live a pure, unselfish life, one must count nothing as one's own in the midst of abundance.